fucking jack like Jack. Him like that, him and that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that?
So in this super quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this avocado drawing. So to start off, you'll want to go into the Actions tab in the top left corner and click Canvas Options. Turn on your drawing guide and click Edit Drawing Guide. This will give you the option to turn on your symmetry. Make sure you're using an inking pen and the colour selected is dark green, and draw your first shape and fill it in with the same colour. Just fixing in bits that you need to with the eraser, like you can see I am here. You'll then want to duplicate that layer and change the colour to a lighter greeny yellow shade. Using the arrow tool, make it a little bit smaller and place it inside the other shape. If you have your snapping and magnetics on, it should do it much easier for you. Now make a new layer and select the clipping mask feature. Using a lime green colour and the noise brush in the touch up section, you can add some more shading and depth. You can also go ahead and turn your symmetry off for this bit if you want to. Once you have the shadowing done, use the Gaussian blur at around 25% and add any touch ups where you feel like they might be needed. To make it a bit easier, just go ahead and group those three layers together and add a new layer. Go back into your drawing guide and turn on the symmetry. Change to a chestnut brown colour and turn on the ink pen and draw your shape, filling in with the colour and then fixing any edges again. This is where you'll be making the pit. Add a new layer again and turn on the clipping mask. Make sure you're using the noise brush again and add some shadows using different shades of brown. You can use the Gaussian blur again too and add different highlights using different colours. Now you can group all them together and add a new layer. Drag this down to the bottom and change your colour to a mossy green colour and go back to your inking brush. This is where you're going to be recreating the shadow behind the avocado. Now just go in and draw your shape, make sure that the shape is completely finished and all the lines are touching. This way you can fill it in as one block colour, and then using your arrow, just move it around wherever you need to. Once you're done with that, you can go back into your adjustments and go on Gaussian blur. Make sure you drag that line to around 35 to 40%, and then you can move it around again if you need to. Once you've got all that done, make a new layer and drag it to the bottom. Add in another colour for the background. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I did. And then you can just add some few extra touch-ups and then you're done. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to follow. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you thought. Please also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you want to see more things that I've drawn or order any art, please don't forget to go over to my Instagram. Both of those names will be at the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.